Yo, Trav.
Yep.
She's a good problem to have.
Masicka, yo, you move so childish, bad man. What is wrong with the boy? You cut out a little girl pin the bumbo class style.
Spanish town and so me grow. Me no blood clot go on. Until me jump in the grave.
Costa, no in a slackness. Full of girls, so me not pay back piece. Work hard for me cheddar every day and night. No busy doing for
better yet make daddy be a writer. Pussy on no go and talk, me no suicidal.
No move. Base to the ball. Alright, yeah, Jam TV family, welcome back to our next episode on the channel. There again with our next update, people. So in this one, we have Vybz Kartel and link up with Rvssian over there in Dubai. Yeah, man, in the UAE, in the ground with Rvssian right now, and also international rapper Travis Scott. We see what them connect up in the club, and just a whole of vibes and easy, and just enjoy themselves. We have a couple highlights and a couple snippets for check out.
No, go on now.
Fully active.
One rush shot.
One rush
See
shot.
it there? Madam mean.
First of all, we're in Dubai.
Not Madagascar.
Where the fuck are you?
No clue.
We out. All right. Yo, Trav.
Yep.
She's a good problem to have. Yo, Trav.
So while Kartel over there in the far east a party and enjoy himself, we have Massicka upon the west side a stir up people head side. Cause recently Massicka make a post on him Instagram status. They make a post from a popular podcast from Is What It Is podcast with Mace and Cameron, with a little clip with Mace. I say, yo, elder people don't realize when them time gone. So that post where Massicka make it have some fans. I say, yo, why not just forward deliberately and just call out Kartel or just go at Kartel directly and no more shades or go around thing, because it blatant at this point. You see what I did? So people are say, yo, them can't take the shade and thing.
Boy, them worse than the girl. Come and see a thing where Masicka post on him status like a man a style up a next man, a man a throw one.
Another thing, when you're dealing with older people, they're the last to know that things have changed. We not your little niggas.
Hello.
Masicka, yo, you move so childish, bad man. What is wrong with the boy? You cut out a little girl pin the bumbo class style. If you are this up a man, you just this up a man and call a man named bro. You need to show some little blood class shades on your IG status and I put up laughing emoji. You have a right to change your name from crocodile to bumbo class goat, because as far as I know, a crocodile is one of the most aggressive animal in the kingdom of all animals to bumbo. You're a real bumbo class goat. You know, say, yeah, unless you're not a bumbo class predator. You operate like a prey. You have a right to change your name from blood cleat crocodile, because I don't see why you that change your name from crocodile to goat when you try to instigate a war, because I must instigate. What is wrong with the Massicka? Start the blood clot look throw what thing like some little girl in the dog. If you have this up a man, call a man name and this up a bumbo clot. You really is a goat, you're not a crocodile to bumbo clot, because you're not a predator, you're a bumbo clot prey. Call boy name and make you know, you're on the top operate like a bumbo clot girl in the dancer. What is wrong with you, boy?
So one thing, people, you feel Massicka just be calculated as to how him go deal with Vybz Kartel based on everything will go on after some fest, because you don't see how everything transpire upon stage with him and Joshi and how the fans and they receive it. It never they receive well. You see what I did? Only Gaza fans did upset about it, and there was a huge backlash from the fans them. So how Massicka move forward right now, him have to play moves them real calculated based on how the space in a dancer stay. You feel him just use some Kartel card them out of Kartel book, because everything we see Massicka really do right now, him just be calculated. So it could have been on a teacher card, because we see similar players happen between Vybz Kartel and Bounty Killer when he made a forward up through the ranks. So him could have used a player from that book, we're not sure, or him just deal it brawling and done and just know say, yo, no more no bad like Sicka, you want die liquor. No go around thing, I just this for this right now at this point. I know the thing, people. So now we have Anthony B in our studio. Like you find the next one, you know.
a box of rubber, she now want no flowers. She want feel up the Rasta powers. Mash it up, send it to Dr. Howard. She still want be one of the Rasta lovers. She say box of rubber, she now want no flowers. She want feel up the Rasta powers. No, we leave that to bowers. We love when y'all a bubble pan that 3 hours. Chop! Kitty, every man a dream about. So me live up in a that like me dream house. No kissy, even though she have a clean mouth. Big brew make she ball and scream out. Man straight rasta no go the lean out. Me love the make she want be me queen out. Me pop the chalice, blow the weed out. She said tell Billy, me a the ring out. Rasta, no in a slackness. Full of girl, so me not pay back fist. I be a hotness pan the rassless. She said push back, cause she got this. Flexible, yeah, she make me back twist. She a wine like her every day she practice. She say me a the first man ever match this. So me make she scream out like a actress. Box her up, she no want no flowers. She want feel up the Rasta powers. Mash it up, send it to Dr. Howard. She still want be one of the Rasta lovers. Box her up, she no want no flowers. She want feel up the Rasta powers. No!
Box her up, she no want no flowers. People, me know the thing now. It have a vibe, the lyrics them catchy. Yeah man, Anthony B new song that we see my cook up in the studio. Decide to highlight it to the fans them and make know the thing cause the space kinda short of music now. Yeah, and we like we say new music in the space. As I did, whether it be some chopping music or some different type of music, some reggae music, any type of music where just new and I give you a different vibe, you know? Yeah man. So remember know to think about that one day. So up next now we have Laden performance over there in a Black River, St. Elizabeth to be exact. You don't know St. Elizabeth a Laden ground that time hometown. So I check out a little snippet time performance.
Hey, Black River, money over where we say, on the pocket see no boy. Right now we are now on the part today. Get it right now. On the top of the sky, Black River, bounce now. We are feeling fresh. We are far away from the gift. Remember, Father, watch you. Everything is hard for me, cheddar every day and night. No busy doing folly in a eyesight. Jah help those who help themselves.
Big gun got fire. How this is it? People, me telling you about Sheba. Sheba reached the airport before everybody and the Island Grills, Burger King, TSC, KFC. Wait, no. You can't check it. You can't check it, Sheba. You can't check it. Alright. Now you don't know there. This is the Antigua. We are on our way. To Antigua. There. And there's no Sparta's name with taboo bar again. Share. They're fully Gaza. And Sheba there check out and link up the rest of Antigua artists over there. And there's Gaza and fully Gaza.
So that a Shawn Storm from the Gaza camping up people. You know that. Yeah man, Shawn Storm and Gaza Sheba that I make a flight go for the Antigua there. Like, them have an upcoming show, so them have to go reach over in the Antigua, shell it off and forward, you know. And it's a good look to see how Gaza Sheba roll out too because a whole heap of artists Kartel help. And it's a good look to see how some of them still there on and can link back with the team and roll up the thing, you see me? It's a very good look. Rate that move there. Also with Shawn Storm, because recently Siva been a travel the whole place, you know, people. Because prior to this, in the day in England for a few months and a whole of vibes in England and a tour around the whole of the England. So by the time forward back a yard and then him jump out again now, Ghana, Antigua. And by the time forward again, we forgot USA. You know, so it's a good move that for Siva if he can forward out and can travel the world just like Kartel and experience the freedom there, you know. Yeah man, so big up to Siva upon that. So now we check out a video we see with Shaneil Muir. She had do a rendition of Tamale Shelly Christmas. Yeah man, if you know Tamale music from them then them just jump out, you know it's some dark music that run out from the Demon Boss, you see me? And Shelly Christmas end up turning one of classic them. Yeah man, enough other song to like all one them, all him first song we ever do. Sparta and Out at Night and songs like Sick to Me Head. You see me? Songs like them, they're from Tamale. Old time Tamale song them and not normal. Yeah, I tell the people different energy. So here is Shaneil Muir and they were fair rendition of Tamale Shelly Christmas.
No, don't move. Face to the ball. Everybody go stay pray. Everybody mother go pal. Nobody now get way. I guess I just get salt. Boy, at the mash way. I guess I just get. Hey. Step with the Bushmaster, we boss, boy, head. Devilly disaster, which one you rather? No, don't move. Let's clean, Kevin. You start playing some really bad records so true there and follow them. People have stay for the whole night. Face to the wall. Everybody go sleep way. Everybody mother go ball. Nobody now get way. I guess I just get yo. Yo, back in the yo, back in the time get chopping up.
Likkle Addi this Likkle vibes that. Oh no, figure find it, figure find song.
So that song they're not here on the screen, people. That a Likkle Addi new song, Proto Star, out on him official YouTube right now. I will check out the next B-side.
Make daddy be a writer. Pussy on no go and talk, me no suicidal. Viral from me step up and arrive.
You don't know Likkle Addi ever have that flow there in him song them. Him ever have that unique flow there. So in other one, him basically I say it no matter to him what people are say on the internet. Him no business where them attack say. Him just a go through and a do him
Bad
thing.
mind now put a dollar in a my bank. Some in a mind them that's mine. Young star from birth like Michael. Young go me at the proto star. While them attack me wall my ground. Be a ear comment and laugh me laugh. One tap some evil go see ya.
So in the previous vlog with the highlights, keep it on the fireman King Shango. He might go over there in Costa Rica for a show. See where keep it on reach over there now and there Costa Rica upon the ground. Him, as him land, he make a video for show the fans them say yo, in there, you see what I did and I know go thing and I know go around thing him there upon the ground in Costa Rica. So we have that little snippet there with keep it on for show say yo in there Costa Rica and ready for perform for the fans them.
Yeah, man, it's the king of fire, you know what I mean? Keep it like Keisha Irie, you know what I mean? It's all about the king of fire. Slow them and be a feeling to man of it. Them done for everything and them can't say themselves, yeah. Who do you think you are? We're living in a small world. Alright, so we say again. Judge your tongue, them can't turn into a cowboy town. Costa Rica, me there, yeah. Mama and Papa, Muir fire. Keisha Irie.
So that the fireman Capleton himself live over the pan ground in Costa Rica. I know so the fans them in Costa Rica are gonna receive the fireman well, cause you don't know when fireman at work a be a touch everywhere about down. You see what I did? Yeah man, it's an epic performance you can look out for. Me I tell you right now. So now we are segue over to Ayetian, the rising sensation out of JA. Yeah man, we see where I'm touch over upon the Capleton one extra side and I boss a mad freestyle. Yo, check it out.
What go on, Rascal me? You there?
Yo, nuts.
You know, some of my crew there same way. Crab and nuts. You know who there? My there. With a England B. Bring heat, but my cold down England still. No narcotics. Me bring one spliff, my ice a drip. Me bring one fridge. Cause damage from overseas. Wagwan Central Sea. Say she want sex pan the live and make her ex-man see it. We live reckless, she get tested. She want no exam feel. Been farming, aura, them a ton of thief. Them a ton of thief and drop the beast, yeah. Check the link, Cuban. All of my shoes, them new brand. All of my flow, them, yeah. All of my flow, them crucial. All of my, yeah. Might take a shit too bad. Might pull it in a tuna. Might pull it, yeah. Too bad. Might make a next bet too gun. Might make a, because she done, she not healthy. We got the party rum, yeah. The party now, me happy. When you happy boss, when me walk it harm the ground, yeah. But for real, no audio. Now left till the party done. England B. Bring heat, man, score like England still. No narcotics, me bring one spliff. Ice a drip, me bring one. No face boy thing.
So on to the next topic now, people. So this is the follow-up from the previous vlog that we did with the security guard who the thief the 15 to 20 million. So it come out that it's actually a beryllium security guard. No surprise there because all of the issue them were usually surround money courier service vehicle and usually beryllium it take place with cause them are the most popular within Jamaica and one of the most utilized money courier services in the country or the whole Caribbean diaspora overall. So it turns out that the security guard implicated in beryllium theft caught, and look over the reason I say yo the man go to half of the island already or you know him reach a one different country cause him have 20 million at 100,000 US over 100,000 US and them still catch him it look like. So the excerpt reads from the Gleaner. The security guard who reportedly made off with over 15 million from a beryllium money courier vehicle has been caught after a 7-day manhunt, the police have confirmed. The 42-year-old guard was arrested at a premises in St. Andrew late Thursday, according to the St. Andrew Central Police, who are leading the investigation. So them actually found him location and pounced upon him our house in a St. Andrew. And boy, at the last place me I look for him tested, because if me have over 100,000 US and I know say me currently is a hot topic within the space, but I try to come myself as far as possible to try even reach cross somewhere different, or you know, me have a boatload of cash, so it can do me wonders. But him never plan it out to the T, it look like, and them just, you know, catch him and stop the glory right there. So there and then. Yeah, so now we are check out a next article we seen at the Gleaner. We see where a crash occurred early this morning with a soldier vehicle and a civilian vehicle star. John know it look away, but it turns out nobody was killed during the RD, but people were injured. Several people, including members of the military, were injured in a crash at the intersection of Harbour Street and Hanover Street in downtown Kingston about 6:30 a.m. on Friday. The injured persons were taken to hospital. It's understood that an investigation has been launched into the crash. So the police are not really sure exactly how the crash occurred, only for no see how a military vehicle and a civilian vehicle collide and people get injured. I hope nobody never get injured to the point where it will affect them life for the rest of them life basically. So you know that go. You have to just be mindful on the road, especially in the rush hour traffic, you know, early morning settings and things, Friday morning. Yeah, so you have to just be mindful of that on the road them. So if you make it through to the end of the vlog, people, just want to big you up again and tell you thanks for watch the entire vlog. Stay tuned for more updates from the channel. Mad.